हाय, ग्रीटिंग ऑफ द डे एवरीबॉडी। मैं आप सभी का झूठ टॉपिक का क्रिएशन चैनल में आपका हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूं। मित्रों, बहुत सारे बच्चे मुझे पूछते हैं कि सर जी, TYBSc जूलॉजी करने के बाद क्या क्या अपॉर्चुनिटी है, क्या क्या फ़ायदे हैं। बहुत सारे बच्चे जूलॉजी में इंटरेस्ट लेते हैं, इसलिए वो सब्जेक्ट चॉइस कर लेते हैं। मगर बहुत सारे बच्चे अपने दोस्तों ने लिया, उसने लिया, इसलिए मैं ले लेता हूँ। मगर उन्हें मालूमात नहीं होता है आगे चल के क्या करना है, कौन सी रास्ते है, क्या क्या अपॉर्चुनिटी है, क्या क्या जॉब मिल सकते हैं, क्या एजुकेशंस ले सकते हैं, उनके बारे में मालूमात करने के लिए ये मेरा वीडियो फ़ायदेमंद होगा। तो चलिए देखते हैं व्हाट द फ्यूचर आफ्टर BSc जूलॉजी। Hi, hello everybody. I am Professor Ajay Tribhuwan, Department of Zoology, Swami Muktananda College of Science, येवला, डिस्ट्रिक्ट नासिक। चलो दोस्तों, आज देखते हैं व्हाट द फ्यूचर आफ्टर BSc जूलॉजी। जूलॉजी करने के बाद क्या क्या अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ हैं, क्या क्या हम कर सकते हैं। दैट इज़ नथिंग बट द career options after BSc zoology. The BSc zoology कर लेते हैं, उसके बाद क्या क्या कर सकते हैं अपन देखते हैं। पहला ऑप्शन से देर आर द 6 ways वी आर चॉइस, हाउ द ऑप्शंस आर देर, क्या क्या ऑप्शंस है देखते हैं। पहला ऑप्शन है एकेडमिक लाइन्स, देर आर द एडवांस MScs, that are the totally advanced branches of MScs are there. Second way, there are the academic line advanced or the regular MScs are there. Then applied zoological courses. Then next, it is the paramedical courses. Next option is there the competitive examinations. Next options is the multidisciplinary courses, and the 7th option is there the job areas and the job opportunities. तो देखते हैं फर्स्ट ब्रांच एकेडमिक लाइन एडवांस्ड MScs आफ्टर BSc zoology. If you like this video, then share it, subscribe it, ज़रूर शेयर करिए अपने जैसे दोस्तों के लिए, मित्रों के लिए जिन्हें मालूमात नहीं है BSc जूलॉजी के लिए। BSc जूलॉजी करने के बाद क्या क्या ऑप्शंस है। सो द फर्स्ट एडवांस्ड पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट, द MScs आर देयर। फर्स्ट इज द MSc in biotechnology. You can take the admission in MSc biotechnology after BSc zoology. Then MSc in bioengineering, MSc in bioinformatics, MSc in biophysics, MSc in environmental science, MSc in forestry, MSc in marine biology, MSc in medical science, then MSc in anatomy, MSc in physiology, MSc in nanotechnology, MSc in wildlife, MSc in virology. Then another branches, the regular post graduate or the regular MScs are there. These are the MSc in animal behavior, then MSc in animal physiology, MSc in Anthropology, MSc in Applied Zoology, then MSc in Animal Production and Natural Resources, then MSc in Biofabrications, MSc in the Cell Developmental Biology. Then another branches, the MSc in Conservation Biology, MSc in Ecology and Evolution, MSc in Entomology, MSc in Fishery, MSc in Food Sciences and Nutrition, and the MSc in Genetics. Then the regular postgraduate MScs remaining are there. These are the MSc in Health Science, Herpetology, MSc in Herpetology, MSc in Human Paleobiology, MSc in Life Sciences, MSc in Molecular Biology, and MSc in Ornithology, MSc in Sericulture. Then higher qualifications, you can upgrade your education after the MSc is there. The MPhil, Master in Philosophy in Zoology, PhD, Philosophy, Doctorate in the Zoology, then the NET/SET, JRF, SRF, GATE, and the postdoctorate. These are the opportunities in higher educations after BSc Zoology. Then which are the applied zoological courses? One by one we are discussed here. The first, that is the animal husbandry, then the apiculture, aquaculture, dairy management, ethnozoology, fishery bioproducts, then fishery management, lake culture, milk and milk products, PG diploma in forensic sciences, then the PG diploma in forensic science cybercrime branch, then pearl culture. Another applied zoological courses are there. Number of zoological courses: the pest control management, poultry management, scientific lab material supplier, then scientific laboratory assistant, scientific instrumentations, sericulture, tissue culture, then vermiculture. These are the number of the applied zoological courses. In next video, I explain about the each applied zoological courses in details, where they are available, how we can take the admissions and the duration of courses, and what the opportunity after the each courses. Now we are going to take the information about the paramedical courses. The first paramedical courses is the DMLT. It is also the, after the graduation is the PG DMLT is there, and the mostly students are prefer the PG DMLT. Then the hospital management is there, X-ray technician, radiography assistants, ophthalmic assistants, then malarial technician, medical instrumentation. The next one is the MRI technician is there. Then another is the operation theatre assistant. These are the some paramedical courses. Next branch is the multidisciplinary educational courses. The other subjects courses also, art, commerce, then chemistry, botany, mathematics. All subjects can apply these branches, so that the B.Ed, Bachelor in Education, then the M.Ed, Master in Education is there, LLB, LLM, the law, we can complete the law college, LLB, and LLM, journalism, MBA, Master in Business Administrations, MSW, and hotel management, then conservative studies, bioastrology, meteorology, computer soft and the hardware courses are there. So these are the multidisciplinary educational courses are there. And the competitive examinations, you can also apply this number of the competitive examinations like the MPSC, UPSC exams, railway department exams, banking, forest department, then the postal services, the revenue department, police department, CBI and the CID department, and the competitive examination in food and drug inspector, excise department, health department, archaeology department. Then the job areas where we got the jobs, the animal caretaker providers, animal clinics, aquacultures, archaeology, then the colleges and universities, the conservative organizations, fisheries, then the nature reservoirs, pest control companies, then the seed companies, television channels, wildlife farms, Zoological Survey of India, and the zoo museums. These are the some job opportunity, job areas are there. Then what the job opportunities? The assistant professor in senior college, after you complete your MSc, you want to qualify the NET set or the PhD, then you can become a assistant professor. Animal behaviors, then the animal breeders, animal caretakers, then animal nutritionalists, animal and wildlife educators, documentary maker, ecologists, environmental consultants, environmental managers, then field trial officers, laboratory experts, laboratory technicians. These are the job opportunities for the zoology students. Next, job opportunities. The research scientists. If you qualified the GATE, PhD, postdoctorate and become a research scientist. The marine scientists, marine biologists, nature conservative officers, science writers, and you become a toxicologist, then wildlife biologists, zookeeper, zoo curator. These are also the job opportunities. Then another one is there the designations in the Indian Forest Services. After entrance examination of Indian Forest Services, you can achieve these the posts of the state government designations like this: the principal chief conservator, then the additional chief conservator, regional chief conservator, deputy conservator, and the divisional forest officer. Next, deputy conservator. These are the state. Now like the state, the union territory also this post after the again entrance examination, Indian Forest Services can provide the union ministry designations like this. the Director General, next the Additional Director General, Inspector General, then Additional Inspector General, Deputy Inspector General, and Assistant Inspector General. If you like this, if you like, share it, please subscribe it and share it. ओके, ज़रूर ज़रूर शेयर करिए, सब्सक्राइब करिए. थैंक यू.